Welcome back. I think tonight I'm gonna prime the seat pan and that little piece in front of it. Then I think I'm gonna go try to take the I call it a bulkhead with the divider that separates the cab from the bed. Take that out, and there's a little piece on the inside. I'm not sure what it's for, but I'm probably gonna take that off. I'll show you what I mean, and try to stop the rust on it. And if I can get that for tonight, I think I'm doing pretty good since it's almost midnight and I gotta go to work in the morning. I think I'm gonna prime this. It looks better than it did the other day, and there wasn't much rust on this because that rust fix didn't turn it black, but there's a few spots that it did, especially right in there. Anyways, we'll prime that tonight, and then I think I'm gonna try to take this out tonight. And the little piece I was telling you about is that piece right here. Not sure what purpose it serves, but I have to take this off in order to get those bolts that are hidden back there. They're also over there too, you can see. Anyways, I like to take that off and just get this out of the way, because I know my bed needs work on it. There's one rust spot that I saw. It's underneath this metal, but anyways, I think that's the plan for this evening. If I can get that far, I think I'll be doing pretty good. I think this next week I'm gonna attempt to see how this is attached, because the only door pillar I found is a full door pillar, so I'm gonna have to probably replace the whole thing. Well, it shouldn't be too terrible, I don't think, but I'm not 100% sure. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's get to work. I haven't tried to take this off yet, so don't know what's behind it. Could be a mouse or anything, I guess. But dirt dauber's nest. I have no idea what that is. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments, please. Alrighty, now I'm going to try to get these 3 bolts off this side, and there's 3 on the other. And I'm thinking that should release this, hopefully. Okay. All the bolts are out, so it should just fall back and just kind of fall back and lift out. That's what I'm assuming it does. No, there's 2 more bolts right there, and one underneath that dirt dauber's nest. So I'm gonna zip those out right quick, and then hopefully this thing will just come on out. Okay, let's try this again. Success. So for now, I'm kind of concerned with that little bit down there, up through here, and of course over here too. I really don't know what that thing is. Anyways, I like this. I like this a lot better without that half cab. I think it looks a lot better. I mean, I didn't mind the truck look of the Bronco, but I think I'd rather have a full top, because I like to have my wife and kids get a bench seat back then there for them. That'd be pretty neat. Anyways, I'm gonna turn my attention to this, prime this little spot for now, and I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. First, I think I'm gonna scrape some of this stuff away. As you can probably tell, I'm no professional painter, but I think it went on pretty well. We'll let this dry overnight and then come back and see what it looks like tomorrow. And there she sits, how she looks now. Still have a lot of work to do, but I'll keep slowly doing it piece by piece when I get the money. Anyways, if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. I need all the help I can get, as I always say, which I do, but subscribing really helps me out a lot. Lets me know that people actually want to see what I have to put out, and it keeps me motivated to keep going. Like I said a while ago, having you subscribe keeps me motivated, makes me feel like people actually like what I have to put out, and it'll keep me going on this build, which I don't plan on stopping anyways, but it just helps get me out in the garage when I don't feel like to. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any pointers or tips or know what that jug thing is, which looks like some kind of vacuum system, please let me know. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.